This is a T51R turbo mod for a Gen 1 B58.
Have to bolt the turbo back on.
And this is my M240I, which you guessed it, has a Gen 1 B58. This is going to sound incredible. But what actually is a T51R? Simply put, it's literally just a turbo housing. It has welds and cuts, which make your car sound like a jet engine. These are commonly put on Mark V Supras to make them sound like they have a 2JZ, but they're not really put on the Gen 1 B58. But luckily we were able to source one from Daddy Turbos in the US, so let's go get it on the car. This should sound crazy. Starting with the easy bits like the downpipe and the airbox. Then the not so easy bits, the wastegate, the turbo itself, the manifold, and then fitting the new housing.
Got Rusty wastegate. Hey guys, James here. This is my wastegate.
And finally, after a very long process, the startup.
What have we got to lose? It sounds alright.
It was finally on. However, I will say this was not an easy process whatsoever. In fact, it took days to do this. But instead of boring you with all of those details, let's get a microphone in the engine bay and hear how this thing sounds. And when I tell you all the pain was worth it, I mean it.
B58, my brother? 58.